Welcome to the top best. The best corner brush is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your cleaning arsenal, designed to tackle those awkward, hard-to-reach spots that traditional mops and brooms often miss, ensuring a truly spotless finish in every nook and cranny of your home, from tight bathroom corners to the edges of your kitchen countertops. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set, designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs around your home. This set includes 2 versatile brushes for all your cleaning needs. The large brush is perfect for cleaning wider areas like grout lines and shower door tracks. Its durable bristles effectively scrub away dirt and grime. For those hard-to-reach spots, the small brush is your ideal companion. It's designed to fit into tight spaces and clean fixtures with ease. The small brush features a unique wiper blade. This handy tool is excellent for clearing built-up dirt from drains and other narrow crevices. Both brushes are equipped with durable nylon bristles for effective scrubbing. They also feature soft, comfortable non-slip grips for a secure hold. This set provides a complete solution for deep cleaning tasks. Experience the difference with these essential cleaning tools. What we like. This set offers 2 distinct brush sizes, perfect for tackling both broad and intricate cleaning tasks. The integrated wiper blade is a game-changer for stubborn grime in tight spots. If you're looking for a versatile duo that can handle everything from shower tracks to faucet bases, this is the one for you. What people say. The set comes with 2 brushes, a larger one for wider areas like grout and shower door tracks, and a smaller one for tight spaces around faucets and drains. This versatility is a huge plus. The small brush has a handy wiper blade that's perfect for clearing gunk out of crevices and drains. This little feature is surprisingly useful. The handles have a matte silicone-type coating so they are easy to grip firmly even when wet. Bottle brushes and other cleaning brushes usually last for 6 to 12 months depending upon use, and I expect these to easily survive that long. Designed for ease of use and functionality, excellent tools. Number 4. Crevice Cleaning Brushes. Tired of dirt hiding in tight spaces? Introducing our specialized cleaning brushes, designed to tackle those hard-to-reach areas in your home. Crafted with durable materials, these brushes feature a sturdy structure and robust bristles that won't easily bend or deform. They are built for long-lasting, sustainable cleaning. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, making cleaning less of a chore and protecting your hands. It's designed for effortless use. With a narrow head and curved design, it easily gets into gaps and cracks. The dense bristles effectively remove dust and dirt from even the smallest areas. These brushes are small and portable, perfect for storing at home or taking with you on the go. Cleaning is always within reach, wherever you are. Featuring a convenient hanging hole, you can easily store them to dry, saving valuable space in your home. Keep your cleaning tools tidy and accessible. From kitchen sinks and bathroom grout to window tracks and car interiors, these versatile brushes are ideal for cleaning a wide array of surfaces throughout your home and beyond. What we like. Crafted with durable materials and an ergonomic grip, this brush is built for efficient and comfortable cleaning. Its narrow head is specifically designed to reach those awkward gaps and corners. If you often find yourself struggling to clean narrow crevices in your bathroom, kitchen, or around windows, this tool will make the job significantly easier. What people say. The bristles are firm enough to scrub away dirt in corners and grout lines, but not so harsh that they scratch surfaces. They work really well on sink edges, faucet bases, and even the tight spaces around my stove. The handle is comfortable to hold, even when scrubbing for a while, and the brushes rinse clean easily without the bristles bending out of shape. Number 3. Fourth Multi-Purpose Hard Bristle Crevice Cleaning Brush. Introducing the 4th Crevice Cleaning Brush, designed with premium pet bristles that are harder than a toothbrush. These ultrafine bristles reach deep into cracks and crevices to effectively remove dirt and grime. Experience long-lasting cleaning power. This brush is built with flexible and ultra-durable bristles that maintain their shape, ensuring reliable performance even for your toughest cleaning jobs. This versatile tool is perfect for cleaning narrow and hard-to-reach areas. Use it on everything from bathroom faucets and kitchen surfaces to tile corners and sink drains. Its versatility extends to cleaning shower door rails, sliding door rails, window frames, air conditioner filters, keyboard keys, and car vents. It's your go-to for detailed cleaning everywhere. Maintaining this brush is simple, just wash it with water. Plus, with convenient hanging holes, you can easily store it, saving valuable space in your cleaning supplies. This thin and long brush is specifically designed for cleaning extremely narrow gaps and small spaces. It's practical for frequent use, effectively cleaning dirt attached to surfaces. What we like. Featuring extra hard, ultra-fine bristles, this brush excels at penetrating the smallest cracks and crevices for a deep clean. Its durability ensures it can handle tough grime without losing its shape. If you need to clean very narrow gaps and want a brush that can get into those super tight spots effectively, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It's been an absolute game changer in my cleaning routine. It gets right in there and pulls out all the dust and dirt, leaving everything looking immaculate. The bristles are firm enough to really scrub but not so hard that they damage surfaces. They're thin, which means they reach into tight gaps where no sponge, cloth, or Q-tip can go. These little guys looked up at me like, "Ma'am, we were made for this life." And for the most part, they were right. The bristles are stiff, stiffer than your grandma's opinion on your life choices, and they get deep into those narrow grout lines and sink edges like they've got something to prove. Number 2. 8-pack drill brush attachment set. This comprehensive set includes multiple brush heads of various shapes and sizes, along with an extended rod. It's designed to tackle nearly all your household cleaning needs efficiently. We've included 4 round flat brushes, perfect for scrubbing larger areas. Use them on surfaces like floors, hulls, or stove grates for a thorough clean. The extended long attachment allows you to easily access tight and hard-to-reach spots. Clean areas like drip pans, crevices, and behind appliances with ease. Featuring a 1/4-inch quick-change shaft, these attachments connect seamlessly with most drills. The corrosion-resistant coating ensures they are built to last and won't easily break. Made with premium nylon bristles, these brushes provide a scratch-free clean on tough surfaces. They are safe for use on concrete, tile, glass, and metal, even with detergents. This set equips you with everything needed for a deep clean. From bathrooms to floors, experience powerful and effective cleaning in every corner. What we like. This set transforms your power drill into a cleaning powerhouse with various brush attachments and an extension rod. It's designed for tackling larger surfaces and reaching difficult areas with ease. If you have a lot of scrubbing to do, especially on larger areas like floors or tubs, and want to save time and effort, this power cleaning set is ideal. What people say. I've been cleaning my apartment edges and they hold up no matter how much I scrub. Very firm bristles made quick work of cleaning the shower. These work like a charm, using the power of your drill to scrub at high speed, or low speed if you want, and to get into spots that are hard to reach. They're durable and easy to use. Number 1. Crevice cleaning brushes. Tired of dirt hiding in tight spaces? Introducing our specialized cleaning brushes, designed to tackle those hard-to-reach areas in your home. Crafted from durable plastic and alloy, these brushes offer long-lasting performance. Their rugged design ensures they can handle tough cleaning jobs with ease. The narrow head is perfect for getting into crevices and removing stubborn dirt. Achieve a spotless home without leaving any grime behind. Keep your brushes organized and ready for use. With a convenient hanging hole, they dry quickly and save valuable space. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. Cleaning becomes easier and more efficient. From shower grooves to kitchen appliances and window tracks, these brushes are your go-to tool for a variety of surfaces. They are perfect for any cleaning challenge. What we like. Built with a rugged construction and a narrow head, this brush is engineered for deep cleaning in hard-to-reach spaces. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient for various cleaning tasks around the house or even on the go. If you prioritize a tool that can get into those tight nooks and crannies effectively and is easy to handle and store, this brush is a great choice. What people say. Bristles are stiff so really gets into the crevices. The handle is also tapered so you can manipulate around hardware with soapy hands. Works so well on the grout in the shower I am amazed by it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.